So this is how my bird skull looks right now. You can see here in the middle there's a rivet, it's a screw rivet, and there I have some Sam Browne rivets, and here another screw rivet. And I actually can loosen these, and I will do so now. So I took out the screw rivets, and for the Sam Browne rivets I can just pull it away. Got these little horns here. And this is how the headdress looks itself. Got these two straps here sewn together with the feathers in between. The same with the round pieces here. And when you want to attach them, when these parts are still separated, you go there, position it in the middle, you start with a hole here and a hole here, and use a rivet to hold it in place, and then measure out where you have to put the holes on this skull here and there. And then you shape it around here and position them, the round circles here, and mark it where to sew it on. And also same with the hole, and this is actually how you attach it. Pretty straightforward, I think.